empowerment is like giving them power, the opportunity, and I think the freedom to make their own choice. It's also a movement. Just like what we're doing right now, a movement that started a few months back, the movement that's called Premier Lifestyle Club.
So Premier Lifestyle Club is a community of business people, professionals, and like-minded individuals na nagtutulungan po tayo dito para palawakin po natin yung connections natin and showcasing our business inside our growing club.
So, kailangan kasi natin ngayon talaga is more on connections. Kasi ang nagustuhan nila is yung club natin supporting each other.
One thing I appreciate with this club is that it's not just about B2B, di ba sabi nga ni President kanina? But this is a breakthrough to breakthrough. Kasi you'll be able to surpass whatever challenges that you have. So, kung bakit ako ganito, kung ikukumpara sa iba, simply because isa rin ako sa nag-benefit din po ng ating wellness program. Pinapalakpakan po yan. Ayan. So, once again, I'm Assistant Professor Josephine Nabong Alden. If you need po to talk about gender and development, kahit po about mental health, I can also have that and cater that to your company. And with that, maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat for this opportunity to share with you.
Yun po, thank you sa Premier Lifestyle Club kasi hindi lang business ang nabuboost. Nabuboost din po yung self-confidence po natin. So, natutuwa po ako kasi hindi pa ako gumagalaw. Although ilang days pa lang, pero nandito na po yung support ng Premier Lifestyle Club. Nakapag-deliver na po ako sa Sophia's Lake. Marami na po akong naging client po dito sa Premier Lifestyle. Kaya sobrang thank you po.
Sa Quezon, meron po tayong ATV showroom. So, ang kagandahan po dito, pag part po kayo ng PLC, may automatic po kayong 5,000 discount sa lahat ng unit ng ATV. Paano naman Sir Beo kung may kaibigan ka, hindi partner, no? Siyempre, pag si Sir Beo nag-repair, automatic may bonus si Sir sa pagre-repair. So, eto po. So, ang Magbatay po ay kakaselebrate lang po namin. 3 years na po kami sa Quezon. So, I'm proud to say na kami po mismo yung gumagawa ng, nagpo-produce ng tableya or cacao. So, sure po na puro ang chocolate bandrol ng Magbatay.
The good news about Unstoppable, we have 10K initial cash out Condor properties in Metro Manila. Para to give you an idea, yung 10K po na yun, that's for reservation and no spot down payment. And then, ready for occupancy na po siya. And then, once makalipat na po kayo, doon pa lang kayo magkakaroon ng monthly amortization. Is it good? Nagkaroon po tayo ng reason, bawat isa ngayon, para magkakilala. So, if in case makakatulong po ko sa inyo, magbigay ng advice about real estate. So, I'm Julian Ocero po. So, thank you, PLC and Coach Beo.
So, dito sa PLC nga, sabi ko nga, simula pa lang, this is not about us. No? It's all about dun sa mga partners natin, sa mga future partners pa natin. And gaano kaganda na we are creating a club or a community na ang goal lang natin, tulungan yung isa't isa.
Hi, my name is Fern Maderazo and welcome to Premier Lifestyle Club. This time, meron po kaming event dito sa West Insula Condominium in West Avenue. I hope you can come and see us, join us in PLC. And I'm the owner of Season Cafe, Philippines. We have branches in nationwide and now we're about to start Season Cafe Dubai. And we also have graphics design. So kung may mga businesses po kayo, you can come. And of course, tutulungan namin kayo with everything that you need po para ma-promote and of course ma-expand yung business nyo. See ya!
Welcome to Premier